cover a gambit of political corruption, narcotics, terrorism investigations. If someone is making money illegally, the IRS is going to be involved.
Kenneth Hines is special agent in charge at the Seattle field office of the Department of Treasury Internal Revenue Service Criminal Investigation. He was on Guam this past week to visit the 2 agents who are assigned to the territory, federal agencies, and the Department of Revenue and Taxation. In the coming months, Hines says the IRS will be working with Rev and Tax to get tax compliance issues in line with each other to work joint investigations.
One of the main things we're going to do here is work with the Department of Revenue and Taxation and getting the word out about what type of schemes to look out for. The IRS annually publishes what we call our Dirty Dozen, which is a list of tax crimes that we see consistently from year to year targeting people.
We've reported that those include tax refund schemes, structuring, and false claims against the government. Although tax season is not until the start of the new year, Hines warns criminals will start early looking to promise big returns for those who buy into their scams.
If they're asking you to claim dependents that aren't yours, someone else's children on your tax return, that's a red flag. They're not really doing the right thing. They're kind of leading you down the path of committing a felony, which could wind up costing you not only the money you get in the refund you have to pay back with interest and penalties. You can also be prosecuted criminally for that as well.
The IRS also investigates money laundering, a practice used by criminals and organizations.
They're trying to take the money that's derived from their illegal activity and make it look legitimate, such as hiding the source of it, hiding the ownership of it, and just basically trying to get it into the system, the banking system, without detection from law enforcement.
The IRS is also a critical component to asset forfeiture, which is the seizure of illegal gotten gains. The financial gains are put back into law enforcement's efforts in the community. Hines says that money fuels illegal business, pays their ways of protection, and other criminal activity, all of which harm society.
If you see someone disposing of a lot of cash or asking you to hide cash, trying to put assets in other people's names and not their own, that's kind of a red flag.
Hines even puts businesses on notice, especially money service establishments.
Protect your business, because if you are taking drug proceeds or other proceeds from illegal activity, you're putting your business at risk. You may not be committing the crime they're doing, but by taking their money and making it look legitimate, you are running the risk of, 1, being involved with the money laundering, or 2, jeopardizing your business.